The number is Echo Charlie Alpha R. Romeo. Okay, we're for R though. Hey everybody, glad to see you can make it back. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. First off, I would like to say that these products that I'm going to show, I have bought. This is not an endorsement for either product. If you want to know the difference between these products and pricing, so on and so forth, I will be showing you that. That's the only reason that I'm doing this video. So, first off, let's go with the first light I'm going to show you is an articulating series stick light by Blue Point. The number is Echo Charlie Alpha Romeo 1032. Now this is of course made by Blue Point, and I paid approximately $60 for this off the Snap-on truck. The next item is a Braun Slim Bar folding rechargeable LED light. Now, this was bought from Harbor Freight. I do want to say there's a difference in these lights to begin with the 390 lumens on this Braun and the, let me look here, and only the 300 on the Blue Point. So there is a difference. This is basically to show the difference in the working of the lights and stuff like that. Before I forget, let's get back to the Harbor Freight one, because the number is 63958, and I bought this on sale for $19.99 at Harbor Freight the other weekend. Now, I've used them both. I've used the Harbor Freight one and the Snap-on, or I'm sorry, the Blue Point one. I'll be honest, the Blue Point one is a favorite of mine, but I do like both of them. I mean, as far as my thoughts on them, how they compare, I do like both of them. So with saying that, let's just get in here and we'll show you a little bit of what these do. I don't know why, but whenever I do these videos, I just forget stuff that I want to say, you know, and I think about it later. But let's go with, we'll go with the Braun first. It has 3 positions that you can use. That's the high, the lower, and then the other one is your top light. And as you see, it is articulating. We'll turn that light off. The base is magnetic, so you can stick it on car, hood, wherever you want. That's metallic, of course. There's no hanger on it anywhere. It is USB rechargeable, which is really nice. So, I mean, basically that's it. It's a light. You can only say so much about it. But as far as light and what it does and what it shows, you can see it illuminates the engine bay pretty well, which I think is great. There's no metal to stick it on though. That's part of the problem. So then here's the, okay, there is the high setting. Hey now, there we go. There's the lower setting. And then there is the light in the front, the setting. But it does show good light. I have both of these topped off and charged. So as far as that, they do the same. So now we'll go on to the Blue Point one. Once again, USB rechargeable. This one does have a hook which you can use, which is nice. And you can, you know, hook it on the hood or hook it someplace. The difference about this is, you know, it moves back and forth this way, but that's pretty much it. No side to side or anything like that. It does have, and I use these quite a bit, It does have magnets on the back, so let me show you up here in the hood. Up there in the hood, you can put it up there. So that's pretty neat. I think I failed to show with this one, with the articulating part, you can also swivel, which of course that's what I was just saying with the Blue Point. You don't get that swivel. No hook on this one, but you do get the swivel. When you're charging, your light will come on and show on the Harbor Freight one that it's charging red. What made me think of that was, I know I'm skipping back and forth here, but I forget stuff. You have a charge level here on this one where it'll tell you how much it's charging, and there's a little side button that if you push that, it'll tell you the level of charge. So this is all the way up to green, so this is fully charged yet. As I said, I just took it off the charger. But it has the bottom magnet and the back magnets. Okay, so underneath the engine bay, I have shown this one and the way that it, you know, the amount of light that it shows. And I think it does a pretty good job. Of course, that's your high. That's your medium. And that's your front light. Now, with the Blue Point, you know, if you can tell a difference, there's your high, and that's all it has is a high, and then your front light. But it's pretty hard to tell here. Oh yeah, the 90 lumas. I don't know if it's, you know, you probably can't see it on camera the way I can, but definitely the Harbor Freight, which has more lumens, shows more. All right. Basically, that's the two lights. Your Harbor Freight one, I'll have the numbers below, and your Blue Point one, $60, $20, swivels, one magnet, doesn't swivel, side to side, bends, but this one doesn't swivel. This one, woohoo! This one does swivel. Both charged by USB. Back magnets and hook on this one. No back magnet, no hooks on this one. The Blue Point one I have had probably for 2 months, and it's my go-to light most of the times. This is usually what I have in my hand. This one I've used on 2 jobs already. I'm impressed by it. This one seems to last a long time on charge, you know, because I use it intermittently, but it seems that it takes a while for it to go down till it needs charge. Same way with this one. I had this one on probably for half hour to 45 minutes in one of my videos, and it was still going strong with no problem. So time will tell. But anyhow, this is Mike, the Disgruntled Mechanic, saying just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! Bolt, how could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the Disgruntled Mechanic!